I think when working with family, it's important to remember that there's always things you can learn from each other. I'm Ayesha. I am a lifestyle expert, a chef, and an entrepreneur. It's been an interesting ride trying to differentiate myself from my husband. I feel like I shouldn't bury the fact that while we're great on our own, we're better together. And it's the same working with a sibling.
I'm Jazz Alexander. I'm an artist. I do pretty much anything visual, from painting to photography, videography.
So we grew up in a very artistic home, so we were never far removed from art, and so I think it just came naturally to both of us. Most of the content that Jazz and I create together is around food, whether he's photographing dishes for a new recipe that's gonna go up on the blog, or creating visual content.
What if I just get like close-ups of everything and then we get the movement shots?
Okay.
Yeah. Cool. When it comes to collaboration, the best thing is if the person knows how to compromise.
You know, we're able to hold each other accountable and uplift each other and make each other better, and we both have different things to bring to the table, and I think that they complement each other really well. I feel extremely comfortable in front of the camera with him. It's what we grew up our whole lives doing together, and so work never feels like work. It's just a day on the playground.
And for me, it's easier to work with her too because she's the one-shot master. We'll knock stuff out super fast because she just like gets it.
I'm a busy working mom, and motherhood is definitely my muse. Versatility is so important when it comes to clothes, so I look for comfort first. I love anything that can go from me in the mornings dropping off my kids to school to running to a business meeting, and then at night, if I'm going out to dinner with my husband, throwing on a pair of heels, and it just transforms the look.
Effortless style means not really having to try. It kind of goes along with wearing what's you. Right now, I'm trying to put together an art show that'll just showcase all the things I do. 4 collectives of just different mediums that I work with. I would love to do a music project with Ayesha because she has like hidden music. I remember actually one time when her and Stefan first started dating, she actually wrote him a song.
Don't out me. I believe the saying, always remember where you came from. Keeping family close to your heart and in your day-to-day life, I feel like is so important just to stay grounded. I have 3 small children, and it really does take a village to raise your kids.
From day one, it's always like be humble and don't let things get to your head.
I do have a big head, physically.
Physically, yes. I feel like we all have big heads.
My family drives all of my projects and everything I do. My husband has a very fast-paced, busy schedule when it comes to his job, and so I took a big risk knowing that I was also going to be taking time away. I think it's been great, especially for my girls, to see their mom working towards my goals so that when they get older, they can have something to hopefully look up to. Now that we have the opportunity to work together and make a career out of it and do what we love every day, I feel like it's just so special.